It's still right there, man. It's tearing up buildings.
Yeah, we're at 646. See that trailer park right there, the wall?
Holy shit.
They're probably going to be standing here watching. Oh yeah, here it comes. I got a picture of 5 of them in Galveston Airport. Real ones, 5 water spouts coming down.
It's far enough away from us.
Look at all the tree limbs up there. Look at the tin way up there. That's
Yeah.
building bark. That's all building bark. See ya. See all that shit up there? Those are shingles, trees, and there's the tin all the way over there.
Yeah, I'm getting it right. There it is. There it is.
Yeah, that's it right there.
It's across the street.
Right fucking there. That's starting to develop.
I got it, man. I got it. I got it on video.
Yeah, you got it on video?
Yeah.
You see it in this tree?
Yeah.
Channel 13. Look at that truck. Tornado hitting Hitchcock. I didn't on down. No, he did. Look at it.
I got it all, man.
Got a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, no, the trees they were slapping my truck over there.
Yeah, they were.
The tin that were up in there? Yeah, well, we were looking at the trash, seeing all Walt's house. Pretty, man. Look at that little one. Check that out.
I got it, man.